exactly does the Maverick not talk about Lionel Messi winning the 2019 Ballon d'Or award? Now, first of all, we're hearing this big hullabaloo about the criteria for winning and the process of voting, just to say that the players are shortlisted based on their performance in a set time frame, with little trinkets about behavior on and off the field and being role models and blah, blah, blah. But by and large, everybody who was supposed to be there was there. The problem was with the majority of the national coaches, team captains, and journalists who seemed to vote off emotions. Remember now, no criteria, no stipulation, no regulation, no explanation is necessary. The voters vote for who they want to vote for. So this is not a technically sophisticated process. It's simply a popularity contest. So outside of the bias against defenders and goalkeepers, the players with the most fans within the fraternity, like Lionel Messi, will always get more votes than players like Virgil van Dijk and Alisson, who both beat and eliminated Messi from the Champions League and had far better international performances than Messi. But they don't have as much fans with votes as Messi, who will always win even when he did not deserve to win. So really and truly, this Ballon d'Or business is a joke thing. It's a joke.